National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme southeastern Cook County in northeast Illinois, east central County in northeast Illinois, central Lake County in northwest Indiana, western Porter County in northwest Indiana until 4:15 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near University Park and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Steger, St. John, Cedar Lake, Schermerville, Griffith, Crown Point, Maidoville, Hobart, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Hebron, Wheeler, Boone Grove, South Haven, Lincoln Hills, Beecher Creek, Fort Heights, Sauk Village, Dyer, and Lake Delacarlia. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess